Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is FX Major, your mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. And again guys, if you are new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment on the comment section below in regards to this video to participate in this video or give your feedback regarding this analysis, or rather this secret which I'm about to reveal on NAS 100, or rather Nasdaq as you all call it. And again, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is FX Major, your mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. Welcome everyone. Okay, so on today's video, I'll be actually revealing Nasdaq secrets, which everyone has been actually asking me to reveal, or rather to show how actually Nasdaq hides itself in terms of price, things like that actually, which most people have questions of. So on today's video, I'll be actually revealing all that, and do watch this video until the end, as it will be of so much help to you guys in understanding in depth, or rather in details, on how we actually analyze certain currency pairs, indices, or anything in particular. So be sure to watch this video till the end. FX Major Mentor, let's begin. Okay guys, on a previous video we managed to analyze USDT, and we took trades on USDT, and we even gave an update on USDT on how the trades were actually going, and we made quite good profit on USDT. So if you have not watched that video yet, be sure to watch that video, as it's just in the videos which we just uploaded recently. So do watch Nasdaq update and Nasdaq actually USDT update and USDT analysis, so you can be actually in a position whereby you understand fully how we actually analyze our trades. Okay, so on this video I'll be simply focusing on NAS 100, which most of you call it Nasdaq. As you know guys, we have to always start from a daily time frame to see the broader view of the market, or how the market ranged in a broader vision. Okay, so I'll put my first horizontal line there, second horizontal line here, a third horizontal line here where the market rejected or reversed, and our other horizontal line here, horizontal line here. Okay, so the reason being why we put our horizontal lines there is because we cater for our highs and lows. Remember guys, each time we trade or analyze, we have to cater for our highs and lows, where the market actually rejected or reversed at a certain point in time. So that's why we put our horizontal lines to actually indicate to us and show us clearly where the market reversed or rejected. So as we have put our horizontal lines, I can also see here and lastly here. Okay, as you can see, we're currently seeing that Nasdaq had a lot of movement from the upside. It came and reversed to this point here before shooting to the upside. So we're currently having a beautiful market structure, where the market only has two major levels. Let me put this one here. Two major levels, just like this. And a larger major level. So seeing this, we have two major levels, which the first major level is this one here. This is the first major level which we have here, and then going to the upside and then coming to the downside, presenting to us as a second major level before continuing to the upside. Okay, so seeing this, we can anticipate and see that we're actually looking for more. We're actually looking for more buying opportunities at this point here, because we could tell that it's similar to this point here which we have here, or rather that's where the market reversed or rejected at this point here, hence why we had a reversal to the upside. Okay, let's go to 4-hour time frame. Let me actually go back to a daily time frame to see something. There's something that I actually saw, which I want you guys to also see. As you can see here, we actually had a bit of a move to the upside, creating a left shoulder for us, went to the upside, came down, creating a bit of a head before creating another shoulder here, another shoulder. But however, it was not that much respected as an inverse head and shoulder. But however, it came to the downside, tested this level here before continuing to the upside. Okay, so let me go to the 4-hour. Okay, so looking at this, we can see that Nasdaq, let me just remove this so I can give a clear picture of so I can give a clear picture of what Nasdaq has been doing recently or in the past few months. So I can see also here that on the previous market structure that we had a bit of a retest at this point here before shooting to the upside, creating another retest before going to the downside, creating a bit of a retest again before going to the downside. So we can see that the market, or rather Nasdaq, is actually acting or behaving in this type of formation here, this type of form. Which actually is not a bad structure, but rather a good falling wedge, or rather a good falling trend structure, whereby the market indicates to us that after going in this type of form, from the downside going to the upside, coming to retest and going in a falling trend line, we can see that after this whole move has been created, it shot to the upside, respecting this market move as we have here. Let me just highlight it for you, respecting this market move, here. Okay, so we had a beautiful structure to the downside, before shooting to the upside from this level here. So we can see that the market actually respects more of different structure and compared to USDT, which we had previously. USDT actually had different structures whereby we were actually getting into deep analysis into it. But however, with Nasdaq, it's not that much deep, because we can see how the market has been ranging. It has been ranging in this format, which is what we can see here, and then going to the upside, which indicates to us that the respected levels, which are this first level here, let me just put this one. This first level which we have here, and this level which we have here, second level, and this level here, we have to consider them more highly of respected levels, because that's where the market actually reversed or rejected at a certain price. For example, we can see that the market had a double top here. It came to this top here, it went to the downside, came back to retest this level here before continuing to the downside. And then also here, it came and retested at this level here before breaking, retesting it as a support before breaking, and then coming back to retest it as a resistance, then coming back. Also here, same thing with this one, in alignment with both this ones, this double bottom, and then also this one in alignment with this one here. We can clearly see that the market actually respects those levels, hence why I actually say that those levels should be considered as high volatile levels or high respected levels, because that's where the market rejected or reversed at that certain point before continuing to its predicted move or other movement. Okay, so from here, where the market actually reversed, this actually indicates to us as a change of market structure. This now indicates to us as a change of market structure. This change of market structure, including this one here, change of market structure. With this one, we saw that the market came from the downside and was actually planning to go to the upside, but however, it rejected at this level here before continuing to the downside, before actually changing direction to go to the downside. Hence why we're saying that this level here is our major change of market structure. Then that's why we got this whole move to the downside, and here it's our also second change of market structure. So this is our higher high change of market structure, and this is our higher low or rather lower low change of market structure before shooting to the upside. Okay, so now we have a beautiful move to the upside, and then we have this level retested and respected before continuing to the upside, and then we also have this level respected and retested before continuing to the downside, and again break, retest, respect that level before continuing to the upside. Okay, so we can clearly see that the market has been ranging in a much more beautiful or rather broader market structure or market condition, which actually respects more of change of market structure, retest and support, also including resistance. So I can also see that from this point here, we should coming back here to retest this level here, whereby the market was rejected here, actually tested here before shooting to the upside. So this level here confirms to us as our major level before continuing to the upside. And if we can check here, we have this level here, which also acts as our change of market structure, because that's where we can see that the market is now reversing from this point. It's now reversing from this point and continuing to the downside. But however, I'm actually expecting for NAS 100 to range like this in a bit of a double top type formation before continuing to the downside, but however, we can also have a different move whereby the market will range in this type of formation and then continue to the upside. But let's jump into a 4-hour time frame so we can clearly see what we're actually talking about. Okay guys, so as you can see, the market actually did respect all our levels. All our levels were respected by the market, all levels were respected by the market, and however we're having huge sales on NAS 100. So these sales, guys, were actually predicted or rather analyzed on USDT. Remember, guys, that USDT and NAS 100 have much or more or less similar market conditions or structures, or rather prices, whereby they move more like similar, so they move more or less similar to each other. So hence why we're having these cells which we have here. And on a previous video we actually analyzed USDT and took sell positions, which also in hand goes with NAS 100. So people who actually traded NAS 100 instead of USDT, we are actually expecting or rather experiencing similar conditions but different prices, because NAS 100 has its own prices and USDT has its own prices, or rather price, because yes. So this is what I'm actually expecting from NAS 100. This is what I'm actually expecting for NAS 100 to do. So we'll just have to wait for the market to see if it will actually work or rather move in this type of setup, or actually continue to the upside. I actually come to this point here and continue to the upside. Come from this point here and continue to the upside. But however, I can clearly see that we have beautiful candlestick build-ups here, which we have here. We have a bullish engulfing doji, a star, and a dragon. We have beautiful candlesticks build-ups here, which indicates to us and acts as high of confirmations to us in whether to take buys or sells. So as with these candlesticks which we have here, we have confirmations of sell positions, so which leads to us that the market might actually break this level here and come to the downside, or it can actually come to this level here, retest before going to the upside, because that's what the market usually might do, and that's what we're actually expecting for NAS 100 to do, because there are a lot of manipulations in the market, guys. So any trade that you take, be sure to use proper risk management, be sure to use have a good psychological mindset in actually entering your trades or executing your trades, because a single trade can determine your success by using good principles in analyzing your trades or taking your trades. Okay, so I can actually take a scalp trade from here with the candlestick just builds up and come to this point here, because that's what I'm actually expecting for NAS 100 to do. Okay, so from this point here I can actually plan to take my NAS 100 trade. And my stop loss will just be below, actually above. This is not a buy, this is a sell. I forgot that this is a sell, so therefore my take profit or the stop loss will just have to be above my entry point. Okay, so this is what I'll actually expect, and then from here I can expect another position from here. Properties, I can actually expect another position from here. so I can actually expect my positions at this point here to go to the downside, or at this point here have a different move. At this point here have a different move, but however, this is what I'm actually expecting for NAS 100 to do, and I'll just post this as a signal on the signals group, and if you are in the signals group, you'll be able to partake of this trades or have a signal. This is what I'm actually seeing and expecting for NAS 100 to do before giving us any other possible moves. This is what I'm actually expecting. Let me go to daily. So if the market does break this zone here, that means we have a much broader take profit target, because the market actually has to come to this point here, to this point here. So we'll have much more of higher or rather huge peeps in this certain trade. So be sure to join us on our Telegram group, follow us on our social media platforms, and take this trade or rather take trades with us. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is FX Major Mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. Be sure to share our videos, guys, to as much more people as possible, to give them the free knowledge and strategies which we are handing out for free to you guys. So be sure to share our videos, our YouTube channel, to friends, family, loved ones, social media platforms, and anywhere and everywhere possible to spread the love, the good free education which we are providing to you guys through our YouTube channel. So be sure to share our videos, like this video, and comment on the comment section below with regards to this certain analysis. This is FX Major Mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. Much love from me to you, family. Have a wonderful day. FX Major Mentor signing out.